You take 70 on it? Morning.
How are we doing today?
Good, how are you? Holder. These sell for like $10. But maybe. Some complex. The jingle one's missing 3 of them. Not worth much.
You're selling princess shoes?
Flowers, huh?
These are actually Pearly Crafts.
Ah,
Those are
okay.
flowers, and then we also have it also assorted shapes, including little, including the Pac-Man ghosts and some pepperoni.
Cool.
We also have bracelets and Rice Krispie treats.
I see that.
Those are different bags, yes. And that is a hand warmer.
Bracelets are cool. Can I get a water?
Yay. Yeah, I got it.
How does that help?
Oh.
There you go. Thank you. How you doing today?
Looking for anything specific, or
I'm always looking for video games if you got any.
we don't have any video games?
The Squishmallows are cool too. How much are these?
$2 a pop.
$2 a pop, huh? Is this a Squishmallow?
I think
That's a bun bun.
yeah, Squishmallows are popular now. This
Yeah,
is,
my kids like
this
them.
pales in comparison to the
collection.
inside.
At Costco, Christmas time, they had giant ones. Did you buy those?
No, we didn't.
We got them.
That's awesome. Yeah, no, our
The
girls
kids,
wanted it, yeah.
the kids sleep with them now.
That's
It's like
awesome.
their pillow is the giant Squishmallow.
Oh yes,
It's
Oh,
funny.
yeah, we saw those. We're like, it's really cool.
Yeah, yeah. They take up a lot of space though.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, we have one that you can blow up that boiler in it and clear. We have gold ones. It's like really big.
How much is your button holder?
Yeah.
Button holder. How much is that?
Make an offer. Like,
$1.
take it.
Okay. I'd give you $1 on the Squishmallows each too.
Done.
Okay.
All 3 of them?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take them.
That one, I'm assuming those are all 3.
I don't know about the bonbon, but I think they'd like it because it feels like a Squishmallow. So I don't think it's officially.
Back for them all?
Sure. So that's $4. 3, 4.
So at our house,
There you go. Cool.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Oh, no problem. Good luck with your sale. Yeah.
You like this, though? 10 cents each. Or if you're gonna get 3, 1. That's thank you. I'll do this. There's
Oh, yes, I know.
yeah.
I got it on
I'm
that.
playing. Okay. Yep. Okay. Rebecca. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yeah. 15. No, but I'm selling them.
Halloween time already, huh?
Yeah.
You guys selling any video games?
No.
No? How much are these things? The splints. Okay. How much are these?
What do you think?
I don't want this guy.
Maybe one of those was in there. Oh, no, it's so it's full.
Okay. Yeah, so it's 4, I guess.
Okay.
I don't know. A buck or 2 a piece. Maybe $2 for the big ones, buck for the little ones.
Okay.
Yeah, 2, 4, 5, 6.
Yep, that
Yeah.
might be.
Okay.
Yeah.
$6? Hello.
Hey, morning.
You open yet or not yet?
I'm just organizing a little bit.
Oh, I just walked up. No worries.
You were looking for something specific or overall?
I was looking for video games if you have any.
Video games. Xbox
Yeah, Xbox.
was
That's,
set.
yeah.
I mean, I think she put them
Did you
on.
see that one, or you just come to?
I just came to look at the art
You
sale.
put it on, what do you call it, Mark?
Oh, like Marketplace?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And,
Well, I'd be interested to look and know what your price is on it.
absolutely. And look at the.
Yeah, I'll look at what you got.
price and,
Yeah.
Do you
That's a whole
wake up
video.
token or?
Remember those things? Or you
Yeah.
were young back then?
Yeah? Where's that rain? I thought it was gonna rain.
Probably will. It says there about 40% of chances.
This is pretty nice. How much is this?
That's $10. Pressure cooker.
Is it a pressure cooker? Oh
Yeah.
yeah, it's got the seal there.
Yeah, everything is working fine.
Yeah.
We bought it in Germany actually.
Oh wow, cool. It like seals down pretty good.
Yeah, it does. No, it works.
Yeah.
I mean, we
Ooh.
never use it after we come back, but
Interesting.
because this actually locks up.
Oh, okay.
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 And now it's locked.
Now it's locked and then it's got
Okay.
the pressure.
Pressure
I gotcha.
on, pressure off.
Ah, okay.
Because I was in the service
Oh, were you?
station in Germany.
Yeah, okay. Making a mess here.
No,
Is this the lid
that's
for this
okay.
one?
Yeah, that's the lid
Is
for
this
that
part
one.
of it too? Or that's for something
That's
else?
for was something else. It was just a steamer actually.
Gotcha,
You can put
gotcha.
them in any pots and pans,
Okay.
and that fits in.
Oh, you got a little teapot too.
Yeah.
Royal Song. What are
I
they
don't know
doing out
what's going
there?
on. You live in this area? or-
Yeah, pretty close. Yeah.
He's gonna bring it.
Yeah, I'll take a look, see what he's got, how much he's selling it for. Oh, you're fine.
I only have an Xbox 360.
Oh, yeah?
360.
Yeah, I can
Yeah.
move it over if you want to see it.
How much you selling it for?
90.
90? You don't have any games, or?
I have like 13 or 14.
And is 90 with the games?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take a look.
There's a Connect and
Yeah, I'll take a look. Might as well have it out here when more people come. He might sell it to
Oh,
someone.
absolutely.
Even if I don't buy it, someone might buy it. How much is your VHS?
I don't know how much you want to give.
$5?
Huh?
$5?
$5 VHS? Oh,
It's yours. Okay, I'll take
that's
it.
it.
It'll bring back some memories. What about this this pan here?
Can change you.
This one?
Yeah, $3.
$3.
$3.
$3.
You want
That one is new. This is
This one's new?
$10. Yeah,
$10 too.
that's Xbox?
T-file, yeah.
it's so good. Yes.
Yeah. And he said 10. Would you do any less for that?
10 for that.
No less.
8.
8 and 3 would be 11, and 5, 12, 13,
8,
16. So that'd be 16 if I got all 3. How much for this?
You just the top or the bottom? With the bottom?
The whole thing, yeah.
How much did you come up with? 16?
I'm at 16 with that, and the
20 total?
20. That's exactly what I was
Sounds
thinking.
good.
Yep. We're on the same page. All right, let me look at. I do, yeah. I'll bring it up. But let me look at his Xbox real quick. See what he's got.
Controllers.
Okay.
A couple of games. Some of the games we still have a list of like this trace for.
Yeah, just the game.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a headset in there somewhere.
Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah, I'll take a look. And like I told him, you should leave it out here. And if someone might buy it during the sale, even if I don't buy it. But yeah, I'll take a look. I got 1, 2 controllers. GTA, that's always good.
Yes. That one and then you this to the. Oh, okay.
You take 70 on it? Yeah. What about just if I wanted to just buy a couple games? How much for just a couple games?
Yeah, sure. Just 2? How much?
Well, so I was looking at the football games, the NCAA, and then there's another NCAA in here. I don't necessarily need the NBA. I'm not really into that.
Yeah.
How much for just the football games?
How much?
10.
Yeah.
How much did you offer for the whole thing?
It was 90.
And how much did you say you wanted to get?
Take it for 80.
20 over there, 80 on this one, $100 altogether with the games and everything. If you want to buy some more, that'll be my guess.
I mean, there's a connection there too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay.
I'll help you out. Take it off your hands.
Alright.
Let's make sure I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $100.
$100.
There you go.
Thank you. You have a
All
car close by?
I can pull it up a little bit. I'm a little parked
Pull it in
back,
the
but yeah, I'll
driveway so we
pull
can
it up.
put
Okay.
everything in there.
Let's look at these.
No, that's empty.
Okay.
Those are 220 volts.
Oh, really? Oh, because of the Germany.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let me pull up. I'll be
pull
right
up,
back.
Bring it in and
Okay. Hey guys, thanks for coming with me on those yard sales. Definitely got some cool stuff on that one. Actually, there was a couple. First one, I got some Squishmallows, little plushes. I think they're right over here. One of them wasn't a Squishmallow, but I gave that one to my kids. The actual Squishmallows are this white one and the pink one. Pink one's a little dirty, so we priced it pretty cheap. Priced that one at $9. Priced this one at 20 based on comps. Looks like it sells pretty often. So that was really good. Also got some kind of strange cookware that I'd never seen before from Turkey. This one's from Turkey, and then the pressure cooker over here is from Germany. and I don't know what these are worth. They just feel really high quality. So I grabbed them. I'm not sure if it was a good buy or not, honestly, but it does seal pretty well. Hopefully I can figure out what they're worth. And then I got a VCR. I mean, oh, and I got a Calphalon pan, which they're usually good for 20 bucks. And I actually already listed that one for 20 bucks. I think that one's in this blue bin as well. Yeah, right here, Calphalon. That one there. I listed that for 20, which was how much I spent on all the pans and the VCR. And the VCR should be good for 30 bucks. I haven't tested it yet, but I will. Then I got the son to bring out his video games, and he had a really high price. Definitely not worth spending 90 bucks on an Xbox 360, usually. But I was going through the games and pretty much had discounted the idea of buying it at all. And as like the last game I look at is NCAA 14 football for 360. And that game is a huge bolo. I'm going through this bin right now because I want to see what else is in here. Looks like, you know, a Kinect, like you said, the console, some controllers. So I already knew that game was a huge bolo. The minute I saw it, I was like, oh boy, because I know it's a $70 game. And I know some of you guys get mad I'm this cheap, but the thing that went through my head instantly is, ooh, $70 game. Let's see if he'll take 70. Then I sell that game for 70 and everything else is profit. He was not super flexible, but he did come down to 80, saved me 10 bucks by asking. I know I could have just bought the 2 NCAA games for $10, which is what he offered when I asked for just the games. And, you know, it would have been 60 bucks in profit. But now, since I paid 80 and got all this, well, I know it's more than that in profit now because we listed all those games today. Let me look up what we listed them for. But yeah, so there's other games listed for about 50. I just looked combined, you know, many of them were like $6, but all together it was like 50 for those ones, 70 for NCAA, and then the Xbox with Kinect I'm hoping will get me around 100, maybe 80 or 90, but close enough to 100. Oh, here's the power cord. I'm trying to find the power cord for it. I don't understand what this is, just an extra brick. I don't know why he had that. The only reason I'm doing this is because I want to see if it's got a game in it. Every now and then you get lucky, and, you know, you never know. It could have NCAA basketball in there, which is another huge bolo. So I have to at least check before I finish out this video. Let's see. Come on, Lady Luck. It'll probably be empty, but I gotta try. Yeah, it was empty. It does work, though. The Xbox works, so that's cool. So we'll sell the Xbox for 100. Oh, weird noises. So we'll sell the Xbox for 100, those little games for 50, and then NCAA for 73, I think we listed it for. And then we've got a couple Skylanders, which I know aren't worth much. I don't see any rare ones in here. So yeah, you know, like I said, we'll make our money back on the POTS VCR and probably make some profit, and then we will make a ton of money on the gaming buy, and then make a little money on the plushes. We'll make some money on those wrist braces. We'll make some money on the wrist braces. So those I listed for like 10 bucks a piece, and there was 4 of them, so that's 40 bucks to the 6 I paid. So yeah, pretty good day, pretty good sales. Make sure you check out NC Flipper to see what everything's sold for. Make sure you subscribe to both channels. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Oh, so real quick on this pot before I go edit this. I posted it on Instagram to see if any of my fellow pickers could help me out. And Goodwill, what's his name? Make sure I get it right. Goodwill Hunting 80 on Instagram. I think there's an underscore between Goodwill and Hunting. Just commented and said this GSW pressure cooker is a $140 pot. So that's pretty exciting. So that's even more profit on that sale. So great news. Excited about that. Oh, my heater is blowing for some reason in the middle of summer. I have to figure that out. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching.